Maramatuimba, my fellow colleague ministers, the CEO and the staff of Fiji Roads Authority, representatives from MWH Global Management and staffs of Fair Deal Earth Moving Limited, the CEO and the staffs of Bar Town Council, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I wish to acknowledge and thank Maramatuimba and her people from Nailanga for this traditional ceremony. Vinaka. I'm delighted to be amongst you here today to officiate this commissioning of these two newly constructed crossings. Bridges build walls. Our modern Fiji is built on bridges to connect, to bring together people, communities, our produce, goods and services. Bridges across rivers and sea brings people together by providing ease of access to each other's life. It provides opportunity and a platform to grow our economy here in Ba and nationally. We as Fijians of Ba must put to good use this bridge that now connects us to each other, that the Fiji Affairs government has constructed for our community. This investment of $2.6 million in constructing these two new crossings will benefit around 2,000 residents of Vutuni and the nearby villages, plus countless others who need access to these areas. These two new crossings will support the harvesting and transporting of over 5,000 tons of sugarcane. Our 2013 Constitution has put aside policies of the past to ensure that all Fijians have access and equal rights to the government services. Ladies and gentlemen, whether you live in remote villages in Viti Levu and Vanua Levu, or in our maritime islands, it is the intention of the Fiji Affairs government to extend to all Fijians much needed government services and access to a brighter economic future. The construction of these two new crossings connects people, resources and opportunities that we, the people of Ba, must utilize for our maximum benefit. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 years ago, our Honorable Prime Minister also opened the Ba Motor Road and the Ba Motor Bridge. This was another major government investment of $25.5 million to enhance connectivity to support economic activity in the sugarcane industry in the province of Ba. And here I would like to acknowledge Mr. Pramesh Chand for his hard work in getting that bridge and the road done. Thank you. Our people, I think when Mr. Patel, the chairman, was addressing about all those people from Ba, there are also some people here sitting who have served Ba Town, former mayors, councillors. I would also like to acknowledge them. Our Honorable Prime Minister, at the commissioning of these two infrastructure projects, expressed these same sentiments. This capital project has been a long time coming for the people of Ba. Not too long ago, if we can recall the floods of 2009, 2011, and 2012, plus the damage that tropical cyclone events brought upon in the Western Division. Many of our citizens living in this area of Ba were badly affected by the damage sustained on the two old crossings at Vutuni during this period. Similar experience, I believe, is shared by all Fijians living in the Western Division who have witnessed the first-hand the damages to what the weather patterns of today can bring upon our daily lives when connectivity is affected. Personally, as a bar boy, likewise my colleague minister, we know the importance of this project, and I'm confident that it will deliver the opportunities to my fellow Fijians here in Ba, and in particular to the people of Vutuni and Korawatu. Ladies and gentlemen, in a few weeks' time, we will witness yet another commissioning of a major infrastructure here in the Western Division, the opening of the Reki Reki Bridge. I was asked in Parliament why it's taking too long. So my response to that opposition member was that we are in business of building bridges and not building swings and slides for the school children. And I'm happy to announce that on 14th of this month, the Honorable Prime Minister will open the bridge. This $12 million investment by the government will surely put back smiles on our people and also the road users, both private and commercial, plus easing the traffic flow into Reki Reki town. I was also blamed for the delay for the Reki Reki Bridge by the opposition, that I had a meeting with the business community so that they can make more money. Let me make it very clear. It's a total lie. And I urge people not to believe all these lies. My ministry is also challenged to improve the profile of the transportation framework in Fiji. More such crossings needs to be constructed across Fiji, and a whole lot more bridges that needs to be built apart from the road repairs and new road constructions. As the chairman has said, Fiji's portfolio of bridges and iris crossing is over 1,000. Our work is made harder by the legacy from the past government and their lack of investment in this area. This is not a time to point fingers, but to point out opportunities for the future of our Fijians. The task ahead of us means we have to work smarter and harder to ensure sustainable building repairs and maintenance program. It is not going to be overnight, but we will deliver on a program where we build and we maintain sustainable infrastructure that is on par to the international best practices. I take this opportunity this morning to acknowledge the work of the COFRA and the whole team from Fiji Roads Authority, and also the work of the MWA engineers. At this juncture, let me formally acknowledge and thank my new board. All of them are here for this opening, and after this they are also having their board meeting. And I can guarantee the people of Fiji that this board will deliver. You can take it from me. It's okay. To the management and the staff of Fair Deal Earth Moving Contractors Limited, well done on the successful completion of this project. Ladies and gentlemen, to conclude this morning, I wish to sound a challenge to the people of Ba. Now that we have witnessed yet again another massive government infrastructure investment project being commissioned in our province, we must redouble our efforts to increase economic activity within our communities, within our villages and towns, to ensure that we provide a return of investment to government. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I now officially declare the two crossings in Vutuni open, Vinaka and That's what I was asking, they were still rich. Very Binanga.